In this video tutorial, you will explore the system architecture of an XProtect Video Management Software (VMS) installation. Let's look at a system architecture diagram and explore its system components in more detail. SQL Server. The Management Server, Event Server, and Log Server all use a SQL Server to store configuration, alarms, events, and log data. The XProtect VMS installer includes Microsoft SQL Server 2014 Express, which you can use free of charge for systems up to 300 cameras. For larger systems over 300 cameras, Milestone recommends that you use the latest SQL Server Standard or Enterprise Edition on a dedicated server, as these editions can handle larger databases and offer backup functionality. Windows Active Directory. In a distributed installation, Milestone recommends using Windows Active Directory (AD) to manage VMS access. Active Directory centrally manages user accounts, security, and resources across a network domain. You can add AD users and groups to security roles in the XProtect VMS to make it easier to administer VMS access. After you create security roles that include the relevant AD groups, you can simply add or remove users from those AD groups, and their levels of access to the VMS will adjust accordingly. Active Directory also provides time synchronization between servers, which is important for proper system operation. Management Client. The Management Client is the administration interface for all parts of the system. Milestone designed the XProtect VMS to accommodate large-scale operations, so the Management Client can run remotely from an administrator's workstation. The Management Client uses an intuitive node tree interface. When you select an option in the node tree, sub-items for that node appear in a second tree structure. When you select a sub-item, its settings appear in a Properties dialog box on the right. If an item has many settings, the Management Client groups them onto logical tabs. Recording Server. The Recording Server handles all communication, recording, and events related to cameras, video and audio encoders, I/O modules, and metadata sources. Actions the Recording Server handles include retrieving video, audio, metadata, and I/O event streams from devices. Recording video, audio, and metadata from devices. Providing operators with access to live and recorded video, audio, and metadata. Triggering system and video rules on events or device failures. Performing motion detection. Generating smart search metadata. The Recording Server is also responsible for communicating with other XProtect products when using Milestone Interconnect. The number of cameras and devices you can add to a single recording server depends on several factors, such as specified video resolution, frames per second, and server CPU performance. Failover Recording Server. The Failover Recording Server takes over recording server tasks in case a recording server fails. With a failover server, you can ensure system uptime and minimize interruption of camera availability and video evidence. The failover recording server operates in two modes: cold, regular, standby, and hot standby. Cold standby monitors multiple recording servers at a time. If any of the monitored recording servers go offline, the failover server takes over the recording server tasks of that offline server until it comes back online. Hot standby monitors only a single recording server. This provides a significantly shorter takeover time because it needs to monitor only one server and already has its configuration preloaded.